got you guys doing reaction channel back to vlog, and today guys I'm going to be telling you guys if your laptop Windows is your laptop is lagging I'm going to be telling you guys 2 easy fixes. This is going to be an easy fixes to do if you have this issue with your laptop. So let's get right into the video. So what you can do is, you go to the desktop, right? And you go and what's it called? You go into you do Alt F4. It should say restart, shut down, sleep, hibernate. You want to click restart is one way, or you want to click shut down. I'm gonna tell you why these would work. Restart might have worked because it might be an update that it has to be working on in order for it to work and function properly. And shut down, maybe this because sleep is not shut down. It's so different. Shut down is when the computer's like all the way closed and like you can't do nothing. And that's just shutting it down. It probably just has to relax, because on sleep it's not relaxing. It's still like somewhat awake but not. That's it for today, guys. You guys click that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys know if I post. We're almost at 25 subscribers. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Sheesh.